vlogs, and I am Radha Bunny. You can see this. I have a camera with me and a package, and this one is a box. The packaging box of, not the packaging box. Basically, this is the place where I keep all my camera equipments and all. So let's keep it aside, and I will work with this right now. Coming back to this package, special package, let's see what's inside. Before that, let it be. It's opened. I have already opened it, but let's see. Okay. So another package inside the package. It's a bit crumpled. Let's keep it aside. What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? Okay. This is the one that's been inside. A perfect place. A perfect thing, you know, like wait a second. And that's how it works. Lovely. So let's go back to the main thing of the main work of the day. Unboxing this one. That's lovely. Okay, so coming to the next part, this is the SJ6 Legend Air. I had actually opened it, so like boxing it for the second time. I haven't used it till now. I have just installed some of those mounts from this onto my helmet. So here goes. This is my camera, SJ6 Legend Air. Let's keep it aside. Coming inside, I have a 3M double tip. I have a bicycle stand mount. I have a frame, right? The what is called this frame, right? Exactly, I don't remember, but I think it's a frame mount. Yeah. This is one of those seat support. Another seat support, and another one. I've got here the fixed base. This is the fixed base, and this one is the adapter. Okay, so this is a 360-degree arc. This is a 360-degree arc bracket, right? And I have a manual. Let's go to the other half. This side I have a plain flat mount, 360-degree parallel bracket, and back door housing, back door. It's a non-touch one. This one is a touch panel back door. It will be how each camera's video clarity differs. I guess I'll be putting that up pretty soon. For the time being, let's keep it this way. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night. Always remember to wear a helmet and be safe. Thank you.